Good evening guys. Ngayon, magluluto ngayon ng alaga ko ng ulam niya, beef steak again. Siya naman daw ang magluluto. Kasi, favorite niya yun. Yun ang uulamin niya mamaya. Kaya tatawagin ko na siya para magluto. Ethan! Okay, magluluto na yung alaga ko.
Oh, okay.
Siya ang magluluto ng... What are you cooking?
Steak.
Pupunasan niya muna. Make it dry before he will marinate it. Wow, English eh. Marinate.
I do the salt now.
He's now marinating the beef. He's putting salt. Nagluluto siya habang nanonood ng paano magluto ng beef steak. Ginagaya niya yung pinapanood niya. How to marinate the beef. How you will marinate the beef?
Huh?
How will you marinate the beef?
I put salt and then rub.
Only salt you are putting?
No, actually I put pepper.
Is that too much salt, Ethan? And now, he's putting black pepper. Yes. Ilalagyan niya ng paminta. The other side too.
Yeah.
Other side.
Almost, not yet. Pepper shaker, not good.
It's broken.
Yeah.
Kabila naman.
Salt shaker, broken. Oh no.
Can you speak Tagalog? Nag-isip pa eh.
Sige.
Kamusta? Say kamusta everyone.
Kamusta everyone? What does that mean?
Hello everyone, how are you? Yan, saka di pa tapos nag-marinate. Oh, massage. Okay, tapos na siya mag-marinate. Ngayon naman, ire-ready niya yung kalan at yung pan. Lalagyan niya ng oil. Yan. Papainitin niya yung frying pan. Can you lower the fire, Ethan? Look the handle. The hen.
No, you heat it up first.
And there is a little girl here. She want to join us to cook also. Pinapainit muna yung oil at saka yung pan. Nilagyan niya ng konting oil. My chef boy.
Yes.
His name is Chef Ethan. Our chef boy here in the house. When he loves to eat beef steak, he is the one to do it. Yan, siya ang luluto. Our little chef boy, Chef Ethan, is ready to cook beef. Magluluto. Very good boy. Ito yung chef boy. Ako naman yung assistant. Inuutusan ako eh. Assistant. I'm the assistant. Nagluluto yung boy-boy namin. Marunong na siya sa kusina. Can you sing?
No.
While cooking. Ano ba yan? Seryoso masyado? Eh, Mr. No. Oh. Yan yung beef. Kaya, cook slowly. Nilagyan niya ng butter. Yan siya. Nilulot na nilulot. Ah! Yummy, yummy! Ito yung pinapanood niya. Nagluluto ng beef cubes niya. Ang galing ah! Pwede na nga ano. Humiwalay sa magulang niya. Marunong na siya magluto ng ulam niya. Pero laging beef steak ang niluluto. Pag mag-isa lang sa bahay, wala yung magulang, beef steak ang ulam. Para daw din na magluto yung cheche niya. Siya na lang ang magluto. Get the fork, Ethan. And use the fork and knife. Still have blood.
Done na.
Done, but still have blood.
Yeah, done.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Are you sure done?
No. I'm not.
Ayan. Kakain na siya. Yan ang pagkain niya. Ito ang ulam niya. Pagluto niya, medium lang daw. Ano yan ang over. Kaya yan, no. Kakain siya, walang kutsara. Okay? Show me how you will eat. Don't show me how you... Ayan, no. My little chef is eating now. The beef, try the beef.
Edges off. And look at this. I just noticed his chain is the exact same shape of the steak we're cooking right now. And he's letting me
How is it?
hopefully I don't mess it up.
You guys
Push it down
beef.
a little bit. Quickly get that very, very top part. Isn't this crazy? He didn't solve used to have beef. Now we're
Is that good?
Look at the
Yummy?
perfect pattern that he got on the tenderloin.
It's okay?
He's really cooking this
Perfect.
process sometimes. We've been standing
Okay,
here
say
for
bye-bye.
15, 20 minutes. Every minute is important.
Oh, there's no video.
Every 2 seconds he spins the steak just a little bit.
How can you say bye-bye?
Making sure that the whole steak gets even contact.